To add Shopify products to your TikTok shop, follow these steps. Install TikTok channel. Ensure you have the TikTok channel installed on your Shopify store. You can find this in the Shopify App Store. Connect accounts. Log into your TikTok business account and connect it to your Shopify store. Go to the TikTok app and navigate to Settings, Business Suite, Shopping. Product Catalog. Create a product catalog in your TikTok business account. Go to Business Suite, Product Catalog and click on Create Catalog. Follow the prompts to add your products. Sync Catalog with Shopify. In Shopify, go to the TikTok channel app and select Manage Catalog. Sync your Shopify product catalog with your TikTok catalog. Review and publish. Once synced, review your products in the TikTok catalog. Ensure they meet TikTok's commerce policies and guidelines. Enable shopping tags. In TikTok, create or edit videos and enable shopping tags for products. Tag the products from your sync catalog in your TikTok videos. Publish videos. After tagging products, publish your TikTok videos. Users can now tap on the tagged products to view details and make purchases directly from TikTok.